Hey everybody, I just wanted to take a second and go through a couple things about the course copy with you. So when you are clicking into one of your courses, this is in the stats section, the 130C. You'll notice a few things. I think they actually copied not the section I asked them to, but that's okay. But a couple things that you're going to need to change here is you want to go ahead and turn editing on. You want to go ahead and edit this HTML block that has my office hours in it currently. You want to get my information out of there. So if you just click right here and go to configure HTML block, that's going to bring this up and you can go ahead and change that. Second thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get rid of this Math Excel course ID currently here and right here. These are for my course from last fall. I'm going to actually close that so your students can enroll in that. But you're going to want to go ahead and delete this right here so that students don't try to sign up for the wrong Math Excel course. And here, if you want to change this, I like to include my course ID on the main page, so you can just go ahead and click edit and just change that to your specific code. Or if you want to get rid of it, you can just click delete. You're going to want to click into the syllabus because this has my old syllabi in there, so you're going to want to go in there and go to edit, and then I right click and go to delete, and again I'm going to delete that as well. And then the last thing that you're going to want to do in your stats course is I offer weekly in-class activities. I write a worksheet each week for my students to do in stats. If you want these, you can, but when you look at the grade book, you're going to see that I have a bunch of in-class, 65 points of in-class work. If you want these, I can send them to you. I have the syllabus set up to have these 65 points in there, and you're welcome to use that if you would like. But if you don't plan on using these in-class worksheets or doing any worksheets like this, what you're going to want to do is you're going to go ahead and click in here, and you're going to want to delete each one of these assignments as well as delete the folder that says in-class work. I was trying to figure out a way to delete them all a little quicker, but I'm not sure how to do that. So I think the safest way to do this is just to go in there and click delete and delete each one of these as we go. So just a few things that need to be updated, but shouldn't take you that long, and everything else is in there and ready to go. If you have any questions, let me know.